Aurora. And this is Ella.
This is Allie.
And I'm Robert. And I'm going to show you guys today what you can do when your drone gets stuck in a tree. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe.
So hey guys, Robert here. Yep, as I said in the intro, I crashed a drone on this trip. This trip started out like any other trip we were on. Just got a good group of friends together and we decided to head up to Holcomb Valley and have a good time to get away from this hot weather we were experiencing down here in SoCal. Also, I had a question on this road. If anyone knows why this one section up to Holcomb Valley is paved, I'm curious to know. Shoot in the comment. Now as we get into the drone footage here, you can see I was having some good time filming, getting some great shots of this group, and we were just having a good time. Now I decided to get some nice B-roll of nature, and it came out looking okay. I need some work, but you know, I'm still figuring out this new drone. I recently had picked up the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and I'm thoroughly impressed of all the features that I get compared to my other one I used in the previous shot. Now, I probably should have spent more time learning the controls, maybe in the clearing, before deciding to go through and do these trees, which are significantly tall, as you'll see in the next coming shot, you know. And this is awesome, you know, for a good beginner drone, not too expensive, but at the same time too, you know, it's still, you need to know how these handle and how to fly your drone, especially when the wind just decides to pick up. If you notice, I should have paid attention when I was looking at the shot and how tall the trees are swaying. And you'll see in a few seconds here. You know, it's a beautiful shot. I was aiming for just above the tree line. And it didn't work out the way I'd hoped, as you can tell. Now, after we spent some time looking for the drone, we were fortunate to fly another one up and be able to spot this one on the branch, as you can see right there in the lower part of your screen. So we then devised a plan to retrieve this drone and try to get out of the tree. Alright, so this is what we have to do when we don't know how to fly our drones. I, Robert, do not know how to fly my new drone. So, you know the feeling when you lose $1,000 in midair? And then your friends have to get a slingshot out and a fishing pole to try to get it out of there? You can't see it from here, but it's way there. Right on the edge of the branch. And we're trying to get it down. Well, we'll catch up with more later. So we devised some more plans, and we were actually able to help these other guys come and give us a hand for a little while and try to get this drone out of the tree. Now while this was going on, I'm making phone calls, trying to figure out other options and alternatives. Unfortunately, I didn't have DJI's insurance coverage for this one, so they wouldn't cover it as a flyaway. So we kept trying, and we were a little unsuccessful. Finally, I threw in the towel and called in the professionals. A big shout out to Big Bear Tree Service. These guys came up and really saved the day. And honestly, this was the easiest way out of all of them. You know, these were the right guys with the right tools for the job, and they really made quick work of this whole process. Now, I must say, it takes a really strong man to know and be able to climb up this tree, and I give my props to these guys. They, you know, they did me a big service to just go up there. So like I said, you know, guys, if you're gonna fly your drone, this is how you can get it back. Honestly, this is the easiest way. Just unfortunately pay the guy to go up there and retrieve your drone, because yeah, we should, you know, not litter nature, but at the same time too is also, it does suck, you know, to have this situation happen. But I learned a lesson, you know, I should have known my skills, that I was not ready for this area, especially with these tall mountains. You know, this is over 7,000 feet in elevation. So the winds can pick up really fast, you know, that you don't notice when you're in the tree line. But you can see this beautiful view of Holcomb Valley at the same time that we filmed with our other drone we had on hand. So really, a big shout out to these guys. They just saved the day. So like I said, if you guys are good with a slingshot, you probably could have knocked it down. Or if you're really good at climbing big trees, you could do that too. Honestly, pay the professional and get out there. Well, I learned a hard lesson today, guys. Once again, this is Robert with Wonder Offroad saying please like, comment, and subscribe.